Most drivers waste money on car air fresheners that smell great for about 2 days. And then your car goes right back to smelling like fast food, gym bags, wet carpets, or old coffee. And honestly, some of these cheap air fresheners actually make things worse. They're overpowering, leak onto your dashboard, or completely disappear in summer heat. I tested the top-rated options in daily drivers, work trucks, road trip cars, and even smoky interiors, so you don't waste money buying the wrong one. And if you've ever bought an air freshener that died before your gas tank hit empty, hit subscribe because we test this stuff the way real drivers actually use it. Updated prices and best deals are linked below, and if your car has a specific odor problem, drop it in the comments. I'll try to help you out. Starting at number 5, the Wonder Wafers Professional Use Air Fresheners. The first thing you notice with these is they're completely different from the little hanging trees most people are used to. You get a huge box with 250 individually scented wafers, and they smell exactly like the stuff dealerships and detail shops use after cleaning interiors. They're thin, lightweight, and easy to hide under seats, inside door pockets, or even under floor mats. And because they're unwrapped, the scent starts working immediately instead of taking days to kick in. Now here's where these surprised me. In real-world use, they're insanely effective for stubborn odors. I tested them in an older SUV that had years of trapped food smells and moisture, and within a day the cabin smelled dramatically cleaner. Not fake clean. Actually fresh. That matters more than people think. A lot of cheap air fresheners just mask bad smells temporarily. These do a much better job saturating the cabin evenly. The only downside is the scent can feel strong at first if you use multiple wafers at once, but honestly, using 1 or 2 at a time solves that fast. But this next option takes a completely different approach, and for some drivers, it's actually smarter. At number 4, the Activated Charcoal Odor Absorber. This is one of those products most people completely overlook until they're desperate. Instead of covering odors with fragrance, this thing actually absorbs smells and moisture from the air. You usually get these compact charcoal bags filled with activated bamboo charcoal, and they work silently in the background 24/7. No chemicals. No sprays. No artificial perfume blasting your face every morning. In real-world testing, this worked especially well in vehicles with lingering moisture issues or pet smells. I used one inside a truck during a humid week and noticed the interior stopped developing that damp, musty odor that usually builds up overnight. Seriously. This shocked me. It's not flashy, but it works. And unlike cheap cardboard fresheners that die quickly, these can last for months if you recharge them in sunlight occasionally. The only drawback is you won't get that strong new car scent some people want. This is more about genuinely cleaning up the air inside the cabin. Now this is where things start getting more premium. Coming in at number 3, the C&D Craft Company Hanging Car Air Freshener Diffuser 2-pack. The first thing you notice here is the design. These don't look cheap at all. You get these hanging glass diffuser bottles with wooden tops that feel more like something from a high-end boutique than an auto parts aisle. The fragrance oils inside are stronger and more refined than typical gas station air fresheners too. Instead of smelling harsh or chemical heavy, they smell smoother and more natural. But the real reason these made the list is longevity. In real-world use, these lasted noticeably longer than most hanging fresheners I've tested. And because the oil slowly absorbs into the wooden cap, the scent release feels consistent instead of disappearing after 3 days. I tested these during hot weather, stop-and-go commuting, and longer drives, and they kept the cabin smelling fresh without becoming overpowering. The only thing to watch out for is over-tilting the bottle during setup because too much oil can saturate the cap. But once dialed in properly, these feel surprisingly premium for the price. But now we move into one of the most recognizable names in the game. At number 2, the Febreze Car Air Freshener. Most people already know Febreze from home products, but honestly, their car air fresheners are way better than I expected. The vent clip design is simple, clean, and actually practical. You just clip it onto your air vent, adjust the scent intensity, and let your climate control system help distribute the fragrance throughout the cabin. It's compact too, which means it doesn't clutter your dashboard or rearview mirror area. Here's where this thing impressed me. Consistency. Cheap vent clips usually start strong and completely die after a week. Febreze holds its scent way longer, especially if you keep it on a medium setting instead of max power. I tested it during daily commuting and long highway drives, and the cabin stayed fresh without becoming overwhelming. That balance matters. Nobody wants their car smelling like a chemical factory. The only downside is extremely hot weather can shorten lifespan slightly, but compared to most vent clips on the market, this still performs above average. And now, the number one pick. This is the one I kept coming back to no matter what vehicle I tested. At number 1, the Febreze Car Air Freshener. Yeah, I know. Everybody's seen these before. But there's a reason they've survived this long while hundreds of competitors disappeared. The scent variety is massive, the price is affordable, and they simply work. Whether you like black ice, new car scent, or something sweeter and lighter, there's probably a version that fits your taste. The paper construction is simple, but the fragrance technology behind these has improved a lot over the years. And honestly, this is what most buyers don't realize. Febreze work best because they're predictable and easy to control. If you slowly open the package instead of ripping it all off immediately, the scent lasts dramatically longer. I tested these in multiple vehicles over several weeks, and they consistently delivered solid fragrance without needing constant replacement. They're also incredibly convenient during road trips because you can toss extras in the glove box and swap them anytime. The biggest advantage though? Reliability. Some premium fresheners smell amazing for a week and disappear. Febreze may not be fancy, but they consistently keep your car smelling clean with almost zero effort. The only drawback is some scents can feel slightly strong during the first couple days, but adjusting how much of the wrapper you remove fixes that easily. So here's the breakdown. If you want the strongest odor-fighting performance for dirty interiors or work vehicles, the Wonder Wafers are incredibly effective. If your goal is removing smells instead of masking them, the activated charcoal odor absorber is the smartest option here. The C&D Craft Company Diffuser is perfect if you want something more premium looking with smoother fragrance delivery. Febreze is the best vent clip option for balanced daily performance. But overall, for reliability, affordability, scent variety, and long-term value, Febreze still takes the crown. And trust me, a good air freshener does way more than make your car smell nice. It changes the entire driving experience. Long commutes feel better. Passengers notice it immediately. And honestly, climbing into a fresh-smelling car after a stressful day just hits differently. If this video helped you avoid wasting money on junk air fresheners, subscribe for more real-world automotive reviews and product tests. Links to all the products and updated prices are down below, and if you've found an air freshener that actually lasts, drop it in the comments because I'm always testing new stuff. Drive safe and keep that interior smelling fresh.